It's Miss Collier again. This is an example or a mini lesson of goods and services. So I'm going to walk you through to show you how you can identify or tell, I would say, the differences or examples of what they are. Right here is an example of, it's a sorting sheet you see later on. There are examples of goods and services. So the t-shirt is actually a good. The bicycle is actually a good. You know what? Let me back it up a little bit. Goods are objects that can be consumed. That means they can be bought. You can use. So that's why the t-shirt is a good. That's why the bicycle is a good. Services is an action that a person does to help. So we know a t-shirt is not a service. It's not helping you. You know, a bicycle is not a service. Taxi, see that? Taxi, that's like a Uber or Lyft for you guys. Taxi is a service because it's helping someone to get to a place. Ice cream, that's not a service, that's a good. We can buy it, we can eat it. And then we have that water bottle. That water bottle is actually a good. We can drink it, we can buy it. And a mail carrier actually is a service. So we have a taxi, and then we have the mail carrier. Those are services. So I'm going to show you how I want you to do it. And it's the social studies assignment for the Wednesday virtual lessons. So, of course, you know I always like to go to the target. Our target for today is to give examples or to identify one good, one service. And it's going to be in written form, also by illustration. So I'm going to show you an example of one. So you're going to do a circle graph. On the paper it says do a circle graph. So you're going to draw two circles. You can put good at the top of one. You're going to put service on the other top. And at the bottom, you can put the word circle graph. Circle graph. Okay? So, you know, it's my favorite red marker. I know you saw on the other one. So right now, I'm not going to pick the ones I show you on the screen. I'm going to pick this one. And this word is car. A car can be bought. A car is actually an object. Okay? Now, the service that's going to match with the car is going to be called a car wash. Good. It can be consumed. You can use it as an object. The service is that the car can be washed. That word is service. I keep saying the word service. Now, you can do a squiggly line if you want to, or just draw a line underneath it. Draw a line. And that's when you would draw your picture. So I'm going to put the word picture. You draw a picture of a car. Then you can draw a picture of a car wash. That's being washed. And it's a simple task. You have a circle graph. You're comparing a good. Well, not comparing it. Well, you're identifying. Not comparing. You're identifying what a good is. You're identifying what a service is. This is called a circle graph. And on your assignment page, you will actually have to do 2 or 3 of them, just like this. Only thing I didn't do is draw it. Okay, and then we're going to go further into it. The learning target. Remember, there was the learning target from last week. This week, I think we did a pretest on Tuesday. So our learning target is identifying a good and a service. So we're going to go back to your teacher. Make sure, that's my respect poster. That's that big pencil. Audra. Make sure that you read your directions on your Wednesday assignment page, and you can play this video over and over again, and you're going to do maybe 2 or 3 of these. You put the good under the good circle, put the service under the service circle, then you illustrate it. Then we're going to go deep into it later on. It's going to be one of our standards, okay? So, again, I hope this helps you. I see you soon.